In this video, I will be presenting on week's 4 topic of phrases. Specifically, we will be looking at phrasal verbs. This presentation will be done by Janine Logan. Phrasal verbs defined. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition or adverb which creates a different meaning from the original verb. Example: I ran into my teacher at the movies last night. In this sentence, ran into is our phrasal verb. Ran is our verb and into our preposition, therefore giving this sentence the meaning that someone has met another. Example number 2. He ran away when he was 15. In this sentence, ran away is our phrasal verb. Ran is our verb and away our preposition, giving this sentence the meaning that someone has left his home. Transitivity. Some phrasal verbs are intransitive. An intransitive verb cannot be followed by an object. For example, he suddenly showed up. In this sentence, showed up is our phrasal verb. Another example would be, I get up at 7 every morning. In this second sentence, get up is our phrasal verb. These sentences, phrasal verbs, cannot take an object, therefore making it an intransitive verb. Transitivity continued. Other phrasal verbs are transitive. A transitive verb can be followed by an object. Example: I made up the story. In this sentence, made up is our phrasal verb. Made is our verb and up our preposition. The object of this phrasal verb is story, therefore making it transitive. Example number 2. I am looking for my keys. In this sentence, looking for is our phrasal verb. Looking is our verb and for our preposition. The object of this phrasal verb is my keys, therefore making it transitive. Next is the word order of phrasal verbs. The verb and adverb elements which make up intransitive phrasal verbs are never separated. For example, the correct way to structure an intransitive phrasal verb would be, we broke up 2 years ago. If you notice our phrasal verb, broke up, the verb is directly followed by the preposition, while in sentence number 2, we broke 2 years ago up is structured incorrectly because the verb is separated from that of the preposition. However, the verb and adverb elements which make up transitive phrasal verbs can be separated if the direct object is a noun. Example: they pulled the house down. In this sentence, our transitive phrasal verb is pulled down. Pulled is our verb and down is our preposition. The verb is immediately followed by the direct object of the phrasal verb, which is the house, therefore making it a transitive phrasal verb. This sentence can also be rewritten as they pulled down the house. Still, this sentence will be considered a transitive phrasal verb because the phrasal verb is immediately followed by the direct object, the house. If the object is a pronoun such as it, him, her, or them, then the object always comes between the verb and the adverb. For example, they pulled it down. It in this sentence is referring to the direct object, the house, while in the next sentence, they pulled down it does not construe the correct meaning of this sentence, therefore not making it a transitive phrasal verb. This brings us to the conclusion of our topic on phrasal verbs. Please feel free to follow the links below to give you a better knowledge and examples on phrasal verbs. Thank you.